Welcome back, gardening and farming enthusiasts. Today, we have a fascinating living organism to explore, Bowiea volubilis, also known as climbing onion or sea onion. Join us on this botanical journey as we delve into its rich history, distinctive features, and the secrets to successful cultivation. Bowiea volubilis, a unique succulent native to the eastern regions of South Africa with a history dating back centuries. This extraordinary plant has been revered for its unusual climbing habit and intriguing bulbous growth. Behold the climbing onion, an enigmatic member of the Asparagaceae family. Bowiea volubilis showcases a fascinating twining habit with long, slender, green stems that spiral around supporting structures, giving it an ethereal appearance. The plant's bulbous base houses essential nutrients, allowing it to endure harsh conditions and periods of dormancy. Caring for Bowiea volubilis requires attention to its unique. The succulent thrives on well-draining soil and bright, indirect light. A semi-dormant period during winter is crucial for its overall health. Adequate watering during active growth and sparingly during dormancy is vital to prevent root rot. Enhance the beauty of your indoor garden by pairing the climbing onion with other succulents or climbers. Consider combining with varieties of Senecio, Hoya, or Epiphyllum for a visually stunning display. Bowiea volubilis holds both ornamental and traditional significance. Its elegant and peculiar growth pattern makes it a sought-after addition to botanical collections and indoor landscapes. In certain cultures, the plant's bulb has been used in traditional medicine for its reported healing properties. And there you have it. It's a captivating exploration of the history and native range description, growing conditions and requirements, companion planting, and uses of Bowiea volubilis. Embrace the allure of the climbing onion in your gardening endeavors, and stay tuned for more enthralling episodes on a diverse range of living organisms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content.